Against the backdrop of the emergence of COVID-19, which targets the immune system, the National Tuberculosis Programme is reporting a massive decline in the incidence of tuberculosis. In 2019, the incident rate of TB was 67 per 100,000, while in 2020, that figure decreased to 49 per 100,000. Although the disease is still prevalent countrywide at a rate of 53 per 100,000, there has been a sharp reduction in the number of persons who develop a resistance to the two main drugs used to treat the disease. This was disclosed by manager of the National Tuberculosis Programme, Dr. Jitendra Mohanlal, during a recent interview with Nightly News.
We also had just 5 drug-resistant cases, right? There was a decline from where we noticed in 2017 we had a lot of case detection, improved case detection for drug-resistant cases because we started to ramp up the gene export testing. So we actually had 15 cases, and then we did about 4,000 tests in 2018, another 17, and then there was a dip in 2019 to 13. We had 4,000 plus tests done also.
According to Dr. Mohanlal, multidrug-resistant tuberculosis poses a serious health risk as patients can take as long as 18 to 24 months to be treated, as against the 6 months prescribed treatment timeline for the disease. He informed that closer monitoring is being undertaken for patients living with diabetes, who are very frequently also diagnosed with multidrug-resistant tuberculosis.
A range between 5 and 8% of our cases are diabetics. Since 2010, we have been testing our patients, screening them for diabetes too.
The pandemic has challenged staff at the National Tuberculosis Programme to initiate innovative ways of reaching patients living with the disease to ensure medication compliance. As such, a pilot initiative called Video Dots, which allows health workers to monitor patients virtually, was launched in November 2020. The initiative garnered a 71.7% treatment success rate within the first few months of being rolled out. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.